Where?
I found the source of the beam. It came straight from Moonbase Beta Prison Complex.
Wait a minute. Don't you guys remember who we imprisoned down there? A certain genius weapons designer?
Great Scott! Gyrus Krinkle!
Gyrus Krinkle?
Gyrus who?
Krinkle, remember? That crazed fan who tried taking over the team by hypnotizing us to destroy Chiro.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. We fought so many supervillains, they all kind of blur together.
Krinkle is the kidnapper. We must use utmost caution. He is highly manipulative, mechanically gifted, and extremely dangerous.
And he's nuts.
Gyrus hasn't caused any trouble since he was committed here, Monkey Team. He's a model prisoner, virtually rehabilitated.
I'll be the judge of that, Dr. Bavarius.
Why, if it isn't the Monkey Team. And to what do I owe this splendiferous pleasure?
Cut the small talk, Krinkle. We know you have him.
And who do you think I have?
Chiro! Quit playing innocent in front of the doctor. Antari senses that Chiro's close by.
Of course. I've got him tucked away right here in my pants pocket. This is utterly preposterous. Where would I possibly be storing your precious uber hero? I'm confined to a 6x8 cell.
Really, Monkey Team, Gyrus does have a point.
Then with your kind permission, Doctor, we'd like to investigate the premises.
Go on, Monkey Team, look around. But you won't find Chiro here. Or anywhere else, for that matter.
Sugar Zoom? How'd I get here? Oh, no. No. What's going on? Little girl, where is everyone?
Why, we're all right here, Chiro. Welcome home, my boy. It's great to see you. We missed you, Chiro, didn't we, Mr. Cheapers? Nope, 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 nope.
I must be losing my mind. This can't be happening.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Cuckoo!